Working on a 2D screen on three-dimensional objects can be challenging. With Hololight Space, you can bring your 3D design into the real world. Start off by loading your file into Hololight Space and review every detail of your design before you produce a single prototype. Without producing one, you can start checking your design iteration. In the Space Manager, you will find the full hierarchy tree of your file to help you select your object. Use outline mode to visualize edges and detect design faults of an object. If tools are part of your process, you can easily load them into your space and simulate the assembly process. Apply Object Collision to the tool and check your design. Identify areas which can't be reached with the tool the production has. Highlight the design issue with a hand capture or annotation and export your space to make adjustments to your design in your CAD software. By this quick evaluation of a design concept, you are reducing waiting time for manufacturing and reduce the number of design errors significantly. After a design error was found and corrected, you can easily double-check your file with your stakeholders again. It not only reduces the time to market, but raises the quality of your product. Meet online in Hololight Space and improve your design process with XR.